Hey guys, welcome everyone to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to link databases using relations and rollup in Notions. So first, let's create a connection between two separate databases using a relation property. So open your main database, then, for example, projects, and then click on the plus right over here next to the fields to add a new property. Scroll down and select relation here. Then search for and select your target database, like tasks, for example. And then just toggle show on tasks as well, if you have that. And then choose add relation. Okay, and now simply click into the relation field on any projects page and select the specific linked tasks that belong to it. Okay, so you just press here and you just choose, as you can see in the properties, which tasks you want to add. After you're done, everything is saved automatically, and that's pretty much it. If these videos help, don't forget to subscribe.